Basic Filipino questions for beginners. Alam mo ba ang lugar na ito? Do you know this place? Gaano katagal? How long will it take? Masakit ba? Does it hurt? Tinawagan mo ba siya? Did you call him or her? Ikaw ba ito? Is this you? Kilala mo ba ito? Do you know this? Saan ka pumunta? Where did you go? Anong ginagawa mo? What are you doing? Kumusta ang araw mo? How was your day? May kailangan ka ba? Do you need anything? Nasaan ba sila? Where are they? Saan mo gustong pumunta? Where do you want to go? Nagawa mo na ba ito dati? Have you done this before? Anong ginagawa mo dito? What are you doing here? Kailan ang kaarawan mo? When is your birthday? Saan ka nagtatrabaho? Where do you work? Anong sinabi mo? What did you say? Saan ka pupunta? Where are you going? Iyon na ba iyon? Is that it? Anong gusto mong kainin? What do you like to eat? Anong gusto mong inumin? What do you like to drink? Magkano ito? How much is this? Anong oras na ba? What time is it? Pwede ba akong tumawag? Can I make a call? Paano mo siya nakilala? How did you know him or her? Paano kayo nagkakilala? How did you meet? Ilan ang kapatid mo? How many siblings do you have? Ginawa mo ba ito? Did you do this? May mali ba? Is there something wrong? May problema ba? Is there any problem? Ito ba ang iyong unang beses? Is this your first time? Naririnig mo ba ako? Can you hear me? Malamig na ba sa labas? Is it cold outside? Anong araw ba ngayon? What day is today? Ano ba iyon? What is that? Handa ka na ba? Are you ready? Anong maitutulong ko? How can I help you? May maitutulong ba ako? Can I help you? Kumusta ka? How are you? Kumusta sila? How are they? Mahirap ba? Is it difficult? Kumusta ka na? How have you been? Para sa akin ba ito? Is this for me? Pwede ba akong umupo dito? Can I sit here? Gaano ka katagal dito? How long have you been here? Nagustuhan mo ba? Did you like it? Niloloko mo ba ako? Are you kidding me? Pwede ko bang subukan? Can I try it on? Nasaan ka ba? Where are you? Bakit mo gustong magtrabaho dito? Why do you like to work here? Sino ka? Who are you? Kilala ba kita? Do I know you? Paano kita matutulungan? How may I help you? Sa'yo ba ito? Is this yours? Paano ka nakapunta dyan? How do you get there? Sino yan? Who is it? Anong sinabi mo? What did you say? Naiintindihan mo ba? Do you understand? May maimumungkahi ka ba? Do you have any suggestions? May tanong ka ba? Do you have any questions? Pwede ko bang makita? Can I see? Paano mo ba bigkasin ito? How do you pronounce this? Totoo ba talaga? Is it really true? Sinong nandyan? Who's there? Anong nangyayari dito? What's going on here? Anong gusto mo? What do you want? Pwede ko bang hiramin ito? Can I borrow this?